Alice Waters had a backyard full of fruit trees, so it got me thinking about shoulder health because of all the picking that must be going on. One of the most common problems is that people let their shoulders rise too much when they're reaching overhead, when really you want to use the muscles of your back to keep the shoulder blade down while you're supporting the arm. Ideally, the space between your neck and shoulder can stay pretty relaxed when you're reaching overhead. This can take a little practice, so I let Alice use me for support and had her work on pushing the shoulder down while the arm was in that overhead position and feeling for all the engagement around the shoulder blade and below the arm. Then we did an easy 4-step arm and shoulder flow that helps maintain good shoulder mobility and gives an opportunity to practice this new skill. The first step is 1, and it's your pinkies and your elbows together. So try and get your elbows together on the inside. 2 is bringing the fingers to the chest and the back of the hands together. Great. 3 is straight out in front. And 4 is sweeping up and around, back to 1.
I love it when exercise is just part of your day. You're not having to go to that gym, but it's just walking out the front door.